In this video, I am going to show you how to fix inzoi directx valve issue. If you want to fix the issue, you need to follow some steps to consider. First, update your graphic drivers. Outdated graphic drivers can be a common cause of DirectX 12 problems. Visit the website of your graphic card manufacturer like Nvidia and download the latest drivers from your specific model. Then install the drivers and restart your computer. In the second step, check the DirectX 12 compatibility. Ensure that your game or application is actually comparable with DirectX 12. Check the game system requirements or the developer's website information on DirectX compatibility. In the third step, verify game integrity. If you are encountering this issue with a specific game, verify the game's file through the game's launcher or platform, like Steam, Epic Games Store, etc. This can help identify and fix any corrupted game files. In the fourth step, update Windows. Updated Windows versions can also contribute to DirectX 12 issues. Make sure your Windows operating system is up to date with the latest patches and updates. So I hope this quick tutorial will help you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.